Bienvenue les amis. Welcome friends. Welcome to the travel experience, Experience de Voyage channel. And in today's video, I'll be updating you on my Elite Outfitter Solutions 2.5 Ultimate Titanium Wallet. If you haven't done so already, be sure to check out my original review I made from 2 years ago. But to summarize, I purchased this wallet from Elite Outfitter Solutions for $250 back in 2020. There are a number of different models available, but this is a 2.5 Ultimate Titanium wallet with a black Cerakote finish and the optional money clip. The service I received from Elite Outfitter Solutions was quite poor considering how easy it is to start up an online business, but the product itself has been exceptional. This titanium wallet has traveled with me all across Canada, from Victoria to St. John's and all around Europe. It took me some time to get used to it, coming from a traditional leather wallet. These titanium wallets from Elite Outfitter Solutions are manufactured in-house at their facility in the United States with American-sourced materials. It's constructed with two titanium plates that are embossed with Elite Outfitter Solutions trademark design. Then utilizes stainless steel hardware, which holds EPDM rubber O-rings at the perimeter. It's a simple design meant to sandwich your cards, and the optional money clip is meant to hold your cash. It will not hold coins. Removing and inserting the cards or cash is quite easy. Not nearly as quick as if you had a traditional leather wallet, but it is very secure. Being fabricated out of titanium, it has a combination of being lightweight and rigid, and when placed in your pocket, you will always know where it is. This is excellent when traveling in areas where pickpockets roam, such as Italy or the Czech Republic. The titanium also serves as RFID blocking, meaning it is much more difficult for someone to use an electronic device to steal your banking information. Elite Outfitter Solutions also has a service kit, which I have purchased. This includes a beautifully fabricated torque screwdriver, additional EPDM rubber O-rings, and stainless steel hardware. Given how much use my titanium wallet sees, the black Cerakote finish wears out, the EPDM rubber O-rings break, and the stainless steel hardware eventually comes loose. Replacing the EPDM rubber O-rings is quite easy. Simply loosen the screws holding the broken EPDM rubber O-ring and replace it with a new one. The wallet will feel much more snug until it stretches out to its normal size. The service kit is not actually required, as a normal torque screwdriver can be purchased anywhere, as well as the EPDM rubber O-rings. However, the stainless steel hardware is specific to Elite Outfitter Solutions and must be purchased directly from there. From what I understand, Elite Outfitter Solutions does not keep a regular stock of these titanium wallets, and they could be sold out for weeks. If you are considering purchasing from them, be sure to contact them first to find out how long it would take to manufacture and ship these to you before placing your order. You may be speaking with the owner, John, or his customer service representative, Deborah, and they should be able to find out what is available and how long it would take to have it delivered to you. Given my overall negative experience with their customer service, I would highly recommend you receive a timeline via email so that you have a reference as to when the product should arrive. The titanium wallets from Elite Outfitter Solutions have had very positive reviews, but to this day there is still a number of complaints regarding the order process and their shipping. Considering I could purchase a mini excavator from China off a website, it's actually preposterous for Elite Outfitter Solutions to fail on something so simple such as online ordering and shipping. Aside from that, the product itself is absolutely exceptional and it will outlast me. In the 5 years of ownership, I have never been disappointed owning the 2.5 Ultimate Titanium wallet. I have never lost a card, even when the EPDM rubber O-rings have broken or the stainless steel hardware has come loose. I have never had it fall apart or fail in any way. The money clip, which I use as a belt clip to secure my wallet to my pocket, is still tight and keeps everything secure. This has easily been one of the best purchases I have made for everyday use and for traveling. Overall, I highly recommend the Elite Outfitter Solutions 2.5 Ultimate Titanium Wallet.
Thank you for sharing in my experience. If you enjoyed my video, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would truly appreciate you sharing my video on your social network as it helps my channel grow. Be sure to check my playlist to see different categories on my exciting adventures I'm sharing with the world. Life is an adventure. Let's share this experience together.